Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for routes on the Bus London application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the nearby button down below. And here you can see a bunch of recommendations and you can see the map that you can use, but you can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for location and the destination. So type it in and here you can see locations, stops. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to check out and here you can see them here. So if you tap on it, you can check it out on the map, and also the schedules and timetables can be checked out if you tap on the relevant one. So here you can see the timetables. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.